Hello guys, let's start today a forensic first topic. Today is a great day. Let's start and we'll continuously do every day now onward. Okay, so let's start with the forensic drug of abuse plant. You should know in NEET PG they will ask you what is the plant look like. Okay, so first we start from there are three classification of drug of abuse plant. One is called opium. An opium plant, poppy plant look like this. We get opium from poppy plant. Remember that. This is the poppy plant or opium. Okay. This is doda also. So let's start with the doda. First you remember what is a tea plant look like this. Tea plant look like this. It is not a tobacco plant. Tobacco plant look like this. This is tobacco plant. Okay. And coffin beans or coffee plant look like this. So always remember, tea plant look like this is different from the tobacco plant, and coffee beans plant are easy. And three classification we'll talk about now. It is opium, where poppy plant give you opium. The opium plant, another name is for that is doda plant. Opium, affine, heroin, morphine, codeine, fentanyl. These are all one kind of opium. So remember, this is an opium used mostly, or methadone is also there. Mostly use opium for surgical anesthesia. They mostly increase the dopamine in some part of the brain. So you always remember the opium increase dopamine in some part of the brain. Ultimately, opium is opioid, and what? It is a multi-neurotransmitter regulator. So there is no one particular neurotransmitter increase, but mostly you can say some part of the brain dopamine increases. This is how some books write. Okay. Second thing is coca plant or cocaine plant. Cocaine plant look like this, is different from the coffee bean plants. Okay, so always remember cocaine is also a CNS stimulant. Remember that it is a coca plant, cocaine plant. Okay, is a one kind of a main mechanism of cocaine is a acetylcholine receptor reuptake inhibitor. So ultimately it increase the acetylcholine in synapse. So always remember, increase the acetylcholine, increase the vasoconstrictor. Is a vasoconstriction will be increased, and there will be a increase of what 5-HT, dopamine and norepinephrine. Okay, so 5-HT is a serotonin, dopamine D is a dopamine, NA is a norepinephrine. So always remember, it is also important in it is mouth and nasal surgical procedure. Barabar? Why? Because it constricts the vessels, and when it constricts the vessels, the blood loss will be less, and the cocaine will be used in that particular locally. If it's local anesthesia, the cocaine has been used. The third one is a hallucination called cannabis. Another name is marijuana plant, and marijuana plant, very important, is female plant. Already we have made the female and male plant. Marijuana male plant is no use. Male plant is no use, but no use, but female plant is being used. All part of a female plant we used to have the bhang from this. All part of marijuana female used in bhang. Some professors used to say that this bhang help in the Alzheimer. So we don't know. Okay. So always remember what is the use. Okay. First, opium. Opium is poppy plant. We look like this. Poppy plant is another name. Coca plant, cocaine. This is look like this. And cannabis, marijuana look like this. But female plant you have to recognize. Okay, the male plant look like this, but female plant look like this. So always remember. First, you remember tea plant is not a tobacco plant. Tobacco plant look like this, and coffee and beans plants are look like this. So always remember, this is it. We'll continue this in the forensic